whiskey has its roots in the ancient Gaelic language, and depending on whether you ask an Irishman or a Scotsman, you'll get a different answer as to who invented it. The etymology of whiskey combines the words for water and life, making whiskey the elixir of life. This is true today in both Irish and Scottish Gaelic, the word being Ishkabaha in Ireland and Ishkaba if you are in Scotland. And while the spelling is correct, I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. The spelling, whiskey versus whiskey, is dependent on geography. American and Irish prefer whiskey with an E, while Scots, Canadians, Japanese, and other distilling regions, where single malts are produced, spell whiskey without an E. The difference in spelling has its origins in the 19th century, when Irish distillers needed to differentiate their product from the low-quality Scottish whiskey being exported to America at that time.